'Tis the season for big deals, even bigger queues, and epic fights over discount TVs. You guessed it, it's the good old-fashioned, well, kind of, Black Friday sales. To help you get the best deals and keep all of your teeth in the process, this video will give you a sneak peek at some of the biggest discounts, as well as some top tips to help you make the most of 2020's Retail Therapy Thunderdome. Black Friday always falls on the day after Thanksgiving, so this year it'll be on Friday the 27th of November and typically carries on through the weekend until the Cyber Monday sales. And now for the bit you're all here for. Who's offering what and for how little? In terms of retailers, last year Boohoo offered up to 75% off everything plus free delivery, and we'd expect to see similar discounts this year. The same goes for ASOS and Missguided, who offered up to 70% and 60% off respectively. And you don't have to wait until the 27th of November to take advantage of discounts from Amazon and Very, as both of these retailers have already started their early Black Friday deals. Get your hands on some sweet Amazon tech, as they typically offer big discounts on own brand products like the Amazon Fire Stick, Echo or Kindle. And Jack of all trades Very are likely to offer up to 60% off just about anything you can think of. Plus, we've also got loads of extra Very discount codes available on finder.com/UK. Check out the link in the description below. Delivery deals are likely to be a contentious issue in 2020, with many services still suffering delays from the spike in online shopping earlier this year. When it comes to big ticket items, expect TV deals from top tech retailers like Very, Currys and John Lewis. Last year we saw discounts of up to £250 on Samsung and LG TVs. While discounts on the Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5 seem unlikely, we'd expect to see good Black Friday deals on the Nintendo Switch. Plus, with everyone and their newly purchased lockdown pet working from home, 2020 should see some pretty decent discounts on laptops. Although Apple doesn't usually take part in the Black Friday sales, we'd expect to see some good deals on phone plans from networks that include upgrades to the iPhone 12. Time to hunker down and get cozy now, with tons of projected deals on newer mattress brands, as well as the old classics like Dreams. Plus additional discounts on furniture and loungewear, just in case you hadn't bought quite enough of that this year. Travel has become a bit of a taboo subject in 2020, but historically Black Friday has been a good time to book low-cost travel deals. And despite Lockdown 2.0, we'd expect that trend to continue, especially as travel companies try to recoup costs from this year. With a trend towards online shopping in 2020, you can leave your gum shields at home this Black Friday. But even virtually, the sales can be overwhelming, so here are our top tips to help you stay intact and score the best bargains. Number 1, start your research now. Many retailers start their sales before Black Friday, so get a jump on the rush and use the extra time to scout for the best prices. Number 2, consider how much an item costs now. Compare prices well before and in the run-up to the sales, as Black Friday might not actually offer the best discount on your desired item. Number 3, shop around. This is especially important for brands like Apple, who tend to offer very low Black Friday discounts, whereas retailers like Very or Currys could offer hella savings on the same item. And finally, check the returns policy, as some shops won't let you return an item that's been heavily discounted. If you're itching to make the most of the Black Friday sales, head to finder.com/UK, where we're keeping a close eye on all the biggest deals. Links are in the description below. For more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button or stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!